Hey, so today I will be installing red piping stripe on the groove in front of the Type R spoiler. It's actually a replica. This is the piping stripe I'm using. I bought it on Amazon. It was about $14, I think 20 feet. This one is a 1/4 inch. I'm going to be installing it and then show you at the end how it looks. So quick note, I guess the spoiler was a little bit cold and the tape was not sticking to it, so I had to grab my wife's hair dryer and go over it again uh, and reapply it while hitting it. But right now it looks okay. I still have to get it painted, so this is temporarily until I get it painted during the summer. But this is what it looks like now. And the lighting here is not perfect, but it works for now. I may take another video outside later.